I would like you also to shed some light on the case of Dara Quigley, a young woman who died by suicide on April 12th. She had been detained by gardaí some days previously under the Mental Health Act. She had been walking naked in a Dublin street when detained, and Garda's CCTV footage of this detention was posted on Facebook. A really deplorable and revolting turn of events, and something that has brought great hardship to her family and clearly brought very, very great distress to Dara. So we mark her passing, and when we talk about Garda culture and reform and accountability, I suppose this is the rawest end, the sharpest end of a deplorable culture of humiliation and disregard for human beings. So, Taoiseach, I hope that you will, as the Taoiseach promised, come before the House, make your statement, take questions, and I hope also that you might shed some light on the accountability that will be held for the life of Dara Quigley.
Thank you, Taoiseach. Brief answer.
Well, in relation to the individual case that you mentioned, Deputy, everybody will be totally disturbed and appalled by the story that has been reported in the media, and actions are following on from that. As you know, that has been reported. There is an investigation and there is a GSOC inquiry. But just to say, of course, our thoughts are with that young woman's family, given the appalling and very, very sad sequence of events. No doubt the Business Committee can discuss the question of ministers appearing before the Dáil and